Finally, we are testing the headlights on the BMW F10. These will be LED for the low beam and LED and laser for the high beam. This is the final setup, and I can say that these are the best lights that you can have on a BMW F10, on a 5 Series, without serious modifying of the headlights. So if you're looking at the headlights from the outside, they're looking OEM, they're looking factory, and all the things that we have done them without cutting or without an invasive measure. Words cannot describe it. Soon you will be able to see it in complete darkness. And this is laser and LED. The light beam is very, very concentrated, and at the same time it's able to travel very, very far. This is kind of the end scenario, the game changer. When you are using the high beam, nobody is able to survive it. And right now I'm using only the headlight, no fogs or any other things. And yeah, we can say that we have LED and laser on a 5 Series F10 generation. I kind of was able to perfect this upgrade for the normal halogen headlight. It took a lot of time to understand the coding and make it work. So we have quite a long straight line. This is our light output. The intensity is very hard to describe. I hope that the camera is able to record it. I have done previously some other videos in which I've kept the settings of the camera on manual, so they're not adjusting or they're not doing anything of reducing the intensity. So in theory we should be able to compare the video footage, and we should have a realistic view of the intensity. Now, I hope that this video helps. If you are considering upgrading to some laser headlights, I might be able to help you with some ideas, or maybe we are able to do the work. Happy shopping. I will list some of the products that I'm using. Also, the lenses that I've used on this car are featured in a previous video, so you can see the product that I've used, and I'm quite happy with it. If you like the content, don't forget to like, share, maybe subscribe, and I shall be seeing you in the next one.